The Superpower of Deep Listening, Part 2. How you can make people feel seen, heard, and want more of you without talking more. Have you ever had someone talk at you for like 10 minutes straight and you're just nodding like a bobblehead, praying from a phone call from your mother-in-law to save you? It's painful, right? And you've probably been on both sides of that. But here's the thing. If you're a quiet kind of guy, or you don't feel like the most confident talker, deep listening is going to be your secret weapon. It's the cheat code to instant connection and magnetic charisma. I promise you this. No hype and no BS. And I'll show you exactly how to use it. Here's the key idea number 1. Listening is magnetic when you actually do it right. Now you might think you're a good listener because you stay quiet. But here's the thing. Real listening is active. Ask any girlfriend on earth. And silence isn't the same as listening. It's focused. It makes the other person feel like they really matter. And when you do it right, they walk away from a convo feeling lighter, happier, and saying to themselves, that guy was awesome. What was his name again? And guess what? You barely said anything. Here's key idea number 2. Use genuine curiosity like a charm. Now, this isn't about being fake or nodding or pretending to care about their cat's peanut allergy. This is about actually caring, or at least being curious enough to show it. Now, here's how. Ask questions like a detective would, not an interrogator. Here's an example. You might say, did you have a good weekend? Boring. Try this. What was the highlight of your weekend? Then just follow their lead. Now, if they say, I've been training for a 10K, don't just reply and say, that's cool. Ask, what made you sign up for that? Or how's the training going? This shows you're paying attention and that you're actually interested. And that makes people feel seen. They'll start opening up more, and then congrats, you're in a real chat. You're in an actual human conversation. Now here's key idea number 3. Reflective listening equals a connection multiplier. Now this one sounds simple, but it hits deep. Reflective listening means repeating the core of what they said. Not word for word like a parrot would, but with empathy. If they say, work's been brutal lately, you say, sounds like it's been a really draining week. And if they say, I finally hit my weight goal, you might say, man, that's huge. You must feel proud as hell. It's like holding up a mirror so they feel heard and validated. And people don't forget that because you made them feel something. It's a real connection. Real life example. And let's pretend we're at the backyard barbecue. And let me paint the picture for you. So let's say you show up at a barbecue and you know like 1.5 people. And you grab a drink and you do the classic, let's hang by the snack table move. But today, you and I are going to try something different. You ask a guy about the jersey he's wearing. You listen, you actually listen. And when he talks about, let's say, coaching his kid's soccer team, you reflect a bit and you say, sounds like you're really proud of your team. Suddenly, he's the one seeking you out for more conversation later. There's no small talk hell, just presence and curiosity. That's charisma, my friend. So let's recap the 3 listening superpowers. So to build magnetic confidence through listening, you want to 1, be curious. You want to ask open-ended and thoughtful questions. Number 2, you want to reflect back. You want to show them that you get it. Number 3, you want to be present, meaning put the phone away. Make eye contact genuinely and stay in the moment. And that's it. You'll become the guy people actually want to talk to without turning into someone you're not. So your challenge this week is pick one conversation, just one, and try these 3 things. Then drop a comment below and tell me how it went. I want to hear how you're winning and how even the awkward stuff comes up too. And in the next video, we'll dive into authentic storytelling and we'll talk about how to share your life in a way that actually draws people in. Chat soon and thanks for watching.